Oh, very good afternoon, everyone. This is message of the day for today. This is the full moon day in India, and I'm Dr. Divya Srivastava doing the message of the day, reading with the combination of Vedic astrology and numerology. And what is the energy of today? Today is the energy of wholeness, completeness. Today is the energy of wish fulfillment. Today is the energy where you will have the time to to take the tough decision in your favor. You will do the justice with you. Today is the energy when you are going to complete the task which is pending for past many days. Today is the task where today is the day where you will do some kind of decision, where definitely some kind of tough decision, and it will be very good for you. The energy is very high in the sky, so do some kind of um, some kind of rituals, meditation, something like that, which will give you kind of soothing energy in your mind in the late evening. Otherwise it will be very difficult for you to to sleep well. So have some patience and take the decision, right decision, for your benefit and your worldly life as well as in your spiritual life. But it will be very tough, but you will be able to do the tough decision, to take the tough decision which is pending for a certain time of period. And now you will be defensive. You might be meet a person who is a cheater, who will argue a lot, who will show his power, and but this person is suspicious, and ultimately you will win the conversation actually, and that will be very good. So rather than having the late night sleep, better to do some kind of meditation and have some patience, and the energy is very high. So do be isolate in the late evening time so that you can concentrate, you can meditate, and you can achieve and you can decide what you want to do for the future in your worldly life as well as in your spiritual life. So happy uh, full moon day. It will give you a kind of bliss. This is the energy of today, and do let me know whether it has really happened with you or not. Till 10 a.m it was very good, it was peaceful. After that, you had to argue with someone, you had to fight for your justice, you had to decide, take some tough decision, and then suddenly your mind will be disturbed, your mind, and then again, just to calm yourself, you are going to meditate, to isolate, to be with nature, and then you see that the full moon night will be very blissful for you. Meditate and it will be helpful for you. Thank you very much for today reading, and I'll meet you soon with another reading. Thank you very much. God bless you all.